Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to rotate image. For example, I will open this image and then we need to convert this image into normal layer. You can click, hold and then move the cursor a bit and you can release. To be sure for the convert to normal layer, you can click this button. After it, we can resize this image by clicking at this corner point to here. And then you can rotate by clicking outside of this point to be sure for these two arrows. And you can click hold. You can rotate this image. You also can use these tools in the top bar. Okay, I will rotate like into 45 degree. Or you can rotate into 60 degree. And if you want to back into normal, you can set a 0 in here, like this. I will set like rotation into 20 degree. And if you done, you can click this icon. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials, how to rotate image. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.